Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer garlic rosemary lamb chops. Let's begin. The cut of lamb we're using is lamb rib roast rack from Australia. It's around $11.99 per pound and I got it at Costco. And it's a Kirkland brand and it's very close to 1.5 pounds. Okay, let's put this to the side for right now and let's prepare the seasoning. We'll need 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and lastly, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Take everything and mix it all together. Okay, the seasoning is looking good. We're going to put that to the side. Okay, let's open it up. There we go. Next, we're going to cut it into pieces. There you go. That's one. There you go. Next, we're going to take the seasoning we made and sprinkle it on top. Okay, it's looking good. Let's turn it over and do the same thing. Sprinkle the seasoning on the other side as well. There we go. Make sure to dab the sides as well. Get the seasoning onto the sides of the lamb. Okay, we seasoned both sides of the lamb chops. Now we're just going to spray some cooking oil on it. There you go. We're going to turn it over and do the same thing. And spray the other side with some cooking oil. There we go, looking good. Next, we're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it at 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer is fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put them in. But before we do that, we're just going to spray some cooking oil into the basket. Let's put in the lamb chops. We're going to make the first batch first because that's all we can fit. You want to space them out so that they have some breathing space. And let's put them in. We're going to turn it back to 400 degrees for a total time of 16 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 8 minutes so far at 400 degrees. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Looking great. Flip them over real quick. Smells really good. Flip over the last one. Make sure they're nicely spaced out. Here we go. Let's put it in for the last 8 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 16 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. Take out the lamb chops. Let's check the temperature real quick. And it's above 145 degrees. We're set. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer garlic rosemary lamb chops. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Let's cut one piece and give it a try. Oh man, it's really good. It tastes fantastic and is very tender. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.